everyone, we're going to find all values of x, if any, at which the function changes signs on the interval. And we're going to sketch the number line graph and indicate the sign of the function on each subinterval. So we're going from -3 to 3, so let's start with that. This is your function graph. We're going from -3 to 3. All right, and then if you look at your numerator and set that to 0, you're going to get x equals plus or minus square root of 2. And we set the denominator equal to 0, and that's going to give you, that's where it's undefined. So x squared minus 4 cannot be 0. So basically, you have to do where it's undefined as well. So x is going to equal plus or minus 2. Maybe I just should change this to equal. But that's where it's undefined. And this is where it crosses the x-axis. All right, so let's plot those points on here. So we have -3, -2, negative square root of 2. Then we have 2, square root of 2, and then 2. Maybe I'll move these over just a little bit, just to save room. So this is going to be negative square root of 2, and I'll put 2 here. It's not drawn to scale. Just remember that negative or square root of 2 is about approximately 1.41-ish. All right. So we've got a lot of subintervals. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subintervals we have to choose. So let's test the point for in here, this first subinterval. So we're going to let x equal -5/2. All right, when you substitute that in, you're going to get -5/2 squared minus 2 divided by 5/2 squared minus 4. And you can kind of just look at it and see if it's, we're not really looking for the actual value. We just want to know if it's positive or negative. So this is positive right here. All right, now let's check for one in between here. So let's go ahead and check x equals -1.9. So we're going to get a positive in the numerator. No. Let's see, we get -1.9 squared minus 2 divided by -1.9 squared minus 4. This gives you -4.13, which is negative. So there's a sign change right there. All right, 3 to go. Let's do the next one. In between these two, I will just test for 0. That's just going to give you basically 0 minus 2 divided by 0 minus 4, which is 1/2, which is positive. So there's your positive. We've got 2 more to go. All right, the next one, let's pick a point between 1.41 and 2. So let's let x equal 1.9. You can let it be anything you want in between there. So that's going to give you the same as this one. So you're going to get this equals -4.14, because remember we're squaring it. And this is going to be negative. And the last one in between 2 and 3. So let's go ahead and choose 5/2 again. That's going to give you the same number that we got here, because we're squaring it, which is positive. So lots of sign changes occur. This function changes signs at -2, negative square root of 2, square root of 2, and 2. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.